Morning, everyone. Today we are going to discuss about regression. In the last lecture, we had discussed about correlation. Today we are going to discuss about regression. So what is regression? Regression is that how the independent variables are impacting on the dependent variables. So regression analysis is the mathematical measure of average relationship between two or more variables in terms of original units of data. So regression analysis have two types of variable. The variables whose value is to be predicted is called as dependent variable, and variable which are used for the prediction are called as an independent variable. So regression helps us to estimate the value of one variable provided the value of other values variables are given. The statistical method which helps us to determine the unknown value of one variable from the known value is called as regression. So let's see how it is being calculated. So regression equations are algebraic expressions of regression lines. Since there are two regression lines, they are called two regression equations. So one regression will be on x on y and second is y on x. So x on y is that how much the x is changing is having the impact on y and the vice versa. So if when we talk about a regression equation of x on y, we are saying x minus x bar is equal to bxy y minus y bar, right? Where bxy is r summation of x divided by standard deviation of y. That is n summation of xy minus summation of x into summation of y divided by n summation y square minus summation y whole square. So this is how we calculate the coefficient bxy. The second regression line is y on x. The equation is y minus y bar is equal to byx x minus x bar. Byx is r standard deviation of y divided by standard deviation of x is equal to n summation of xy minus summation x into summation y divided by n summation y square into summation y whole square. So this is how we found a regression equation of y on x. Let's understand this with the help of the calculations. So that was the direct method. Second is called as the arithmetic mean method. So in arithmetic mean method, we calculate the deviation. So here equation remains the same. X on y is x minus x bar is equal to bxy y minus y bar. But instead of n summation xy capital, we are using the deviation. So here bxy is equal to summation of xy divided by summation of y square, where x is x minus x bar and y is y minus y bar. Same when we talk about y on x. So byx is r summation of y divided by summation of x. Sorry, standard deviation of y divided by standard deviation of x is equal to summation of xy divided by summation of x square. Right? So these are the formulas that we have for the calculations of direct mean method as well as the direct method. So the properties of the regression coefficients are that R, that is a regression coefficient, is equal to under root of bxy into byx. So let's see with the help of this. It has been given, data set has been given, and they are being asked to obtain the regression lines from the following data. It means x on y as well as y on x. So let's go with first x on y. So xy we have done, x square, y square, and xy we have calculated. Summation we have done. Apart from that, we have seen the mean of x as well as mean of y also has been calculated. Now we are putting it up regression coefficient. The formula was byx is equal to n summation of xy minus summation x into summation y divided by n summation x square minus summation x whole square. Put every value and we get byx is equal to 0.929. Right? After this, we have to find the equation. That is y minus y bar is equal to byx x minus x bar. So we are going to put byx value, x bar value as well as y bar value. We will get the equation. This is the one equation, that is y on x. Now the second is x on y. We have got all the values. We are putting into the formula and we got bxy. And after that, we are generating the regression equation. That is x minus x bar is equal to bxy y minus y bar. We have put the values and we have generated the equation for x on y. This is how, with the help of the calculations, we generate the regression lines. Thank you. This is the direct method that we have for generation of the regression equations for x on y as well as y on x.